Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to block an account on Threads. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to block an account on Threads. Maybe because there is an account that you think posts a lot of inappropriate stuff, or maybe there's an account who posts false news, or you think there's an account that you really don't like, so you want to block it, or maybe it is misbehaving with you, or it could be any other reason for you to block an account on Thread. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Threads app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you have linked your Instagram account with it, and right now you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Threads app to open it. Once the app gets open, this is the interface that first you will see. At the top, you will see the logo of the Threads, and you will see these options. Right now, we are in the home section where you find all the threads, and this is the second option where you could explore for different stuff. And with the help of that, you can create or post a thread. And with the help of that, you can check for your notification, and this one is for your profile. So now if you want to block someone, first you have to find or go to their profile. You can go to their profile from this page, home section, if their feed or their thread is appearing here. Otherwise, if there's a specific account, then you can go to the search section and can search for that account by their name or username. And when that profile appears, what you have to do is that you have to click like that, and after that click on their name, and their profile will open. Once a profile open, you will read their name, their profile picture, their bio, and how many people have followed them, and you will also see all the threads and replies of that profile. Now, if you want to block it, what you could do is that here you could see we have these three lines. This one, just simply click on it and you will see these options. First, you can copy link, you can share this profile, you can mute, you can restrict, and here you get this option which says block. So if you tap onto that option, this account will get blocked. So for that, click on block, and now it is asking once again, are you sure you want to block this account? So if you're okay, if you're willing to block it, then click on block. After that, it says that this account is blocked, and now this account cannot communicate or engage with you, and you cannot also communicate and engage with this account until you unblock it. So if you're okay with that, you can go with it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can block an account on Threads. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.